Hello student, I am your math teacher, Shravanti Ghosh. I will take your math class. Now say, how are you? I am fine. You know that the present situation is too much pathetic. So, for this situation, our school want to give you a virtual class for your educational enhancement. Now, I will start your first class. Let's start. This is the first class of class 8. According to your NCERT book, the first chapter of the math is the rational number. You have learned about the rational number in previous work. But for this chapter, firstly you have to know that what is the rational number as well as what is the natural number, whole number and integer, which are given here. The natural number, the counting number are called the natural number. Thus the 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. What is the whole number? All counting number including 0. This is called the whole number. Note, 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. This is important to you. And what is the integer? When the negative value of the natural number are included with the whole number are known as the integer. Let's see the example. And there is the two types of the integer, the positive integers and negative integers. All the integers are greater than 0 are known as the positive integer, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And what is the negative integers? All the integers less than the 0 is known as the negative integer, that is the -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. And then what is the rational number? A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where the p and q are the integers and q is not equal to 0. Example 4 by 5. And here 4 is also known as the numerator and 5 denominator. Then, and you also know that how to add them, that means the rational number, subtract the rational number and multiply and divide them. You have learned about the in the previous class. Let's go remind those all things again. What is the addition, what is the subtraction, multiplication, division, about the rational number. The addition, 5 by 7, this is the positive rational number. 5 by 7, this is the positive rational number, and plus 2 by 9, this is also a positive rational number. Look, in the addition rule, you have to take the two denominator. You have to take the denominator first and make their LCM. What is the LCM of 7 and 9? You know that this is the 63. This is the 63, the LCM of 7 and 9. And we get the LCM of those number is 63. Then the 63, you have to divide the 63 by first the denominator 7 and you get the 9. And then you have to multiply the 5 with the 9 and then you get the 45. Clear? First 63 divided by the 7, we get the 9 and then 9 will be multiplied with the numerator 5. Then we will get the 45. Then the similar rule is here. The 9, here the denominator is 9. The 63 again divided by the 9 and we get the 7 and 7 into 2, 14. Clear? Then 45 plus 14, this is the normal rule. We get the 59 by 63. This is the answer. This is only for the positive integers. This is for the positive integers. Look, the subtraction. In the subtraction, the 5 by 7 minus 2 by 9. First you make the LCM. What is the LCM? The 63. Then the 63 divided by 7 and we get the 9, and 9 into 5, we know that the 45. 5 9s are 45. Then similar rule is present here. But first one you have add them and second one you have to subtract them. Then you get the answer 31 by 63. Clear? Then the multiplication. What is the multiplication of rational number? In the multiplication, 3 by 5 into 15 by 16. Those rational number are present here. Look, here the 15. 15 divided by the 5. You have to divide the 15 by the 5 and we get the 3. We get the 3. And you multiply the 3 into 3 equal to 9. The answer is 9 divided by 16. Clear? And the division. What is the division rule? 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 40. In the division rule, the second one, you have to apply the reciprocal. Reciprocal, that means the opposite. The 3 by 5 into 14 by 9. Look, 9 divided by the 3 and we get the 3, and 5 into 5 3s are 15. The 14 by 15. This is the answer. Clear? Clear, student? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Up to this one is clear. Then turn to the next page. What is the simplification? Look, in the previous page, we learned about the positive integers. Okay, here we use some negative integers. What is the negative integers? Sorry, negative rational number, and those are the negative integers also. -3, this is a negative integers, and the rational number is also negative. -3 by 4 into second bracket 2 by 3 plus -5 by 6. We know that in the simplification we use the BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, you have to first apply the bracket work. In the bracket, look, here the first addition. You have to do the addition first. First, 3 and 6 is present here. 3 and 6 is present here. First you make the LCM. What is the LCM of those numbers? Is 6. Then 6 divided by the 3. 6 divided by 3. We get the 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Clear? Then 6 divided by the 6. 6 divided by 6 we get 1. And you have to multiply this 1 with those -5. With those -5. And we know that the plus minus are minus. Plus minus are minus. Then the answer is -5. And here, look, in before the 4, there is the positive sign is present. And here, the negative sign. We know that the plus minus are minus. And the 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. The answer is -1. But the answer is -1 by 6. Clear? Then the bracket work is completed. And then -3 by 4 into -1 by 6. Here we know that the minus are plus. Minus plus. And here the multiplication 3 1s are 3 and 4 6 are 24 and minus are plus. So here the plus. So here the plus. And 3 8s are 24. We know that the 3 8s are 24. That the answer is 1 by 8. Clear? The simplification is clear. Okay. Then I will give you some homework on this basis. And I will check those after the vacation when the school will reopen. And keep it in your mind that every student have to do it because there is a marks on this homework and it will be added on ACA, which is included in your FA1 syllabus. And finally, stay at home and stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.